My dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you will be absolutely fine. And I am Varsha. You are welcome back in my YouTube channel English Word with Varsha. And in this video, we will read summary of the chapter Albert Einstein at School. Class 11th NCERT English Snapshot Book Chapter 4. And the chapter 4 is Albert Einstein at School, that is written by Patrick Pringle. Before starting the summary of the chapter, I will give you introduction of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a theoretical physicist who is popularly regarded as one of the most influential scientists of all the time. His major contribution to physics include the special and general theories of relativity, one of the two pillars of modern physics. Who was born in March 14, 1879 and died in April 18, 1955 in Princeton. Einstein was married twice, first to his former student Mileva Marek, and secondly he married again with his cousin Elsa. I am going to tell you what is the summary of this story. So let's move to the story. Einstein was studying in a German school in Munich. His history teacher was Mr. Braun. Asked him in what years Napoleon was defeated at Waterloo by the Prussia. The boy confessed bluntly that he didn't know the year and he must have forgotten. The teacher wanted to know if Einstein ever tried to learn. Einstein again said with usual honesty that he didn't see any point in learning any dates. He argued with his teacher that the one can always look up the dates in a book. There was no sense in learning facts and dates, which was not the aim of education. The teacher then asked the boy, whose name was Albert Einstein, to tell the class his theory of education in the classroom. And then Albert told the class that in his own opinion it was more important to know the ideas than to learn dates or facts. Albert was very interested to know why the soldiers tried to kill each other. The teacher shouted that Einstein was a disgrace for the school and he had to be taken out of the school. After shouting the history teacher, Albert felt very miserable and this was the very bad day for him. And he didn't feel like going back to that hateful place. That was his school. But his father was not likely to take him away until he had taken his diploma, and being poor, he was putting in a room in the poorest part of Munich. He hated that place. Also because of slum atmosphere, his landlady beat her children regularly, and Albert was lucky to have a very sincere friend, Yuri. He discussed all the problems of schooling as well as logging with him. He doubted if he would ever pass the exams for the school diploma. He discussed his all problems with his cousin also, that was Elsa. When she came to Munich, she advised him to take heart and just repeat what he learned in the examinations. But his problem was he was not good at learning by heart. And then Elsa inquired which book he was carrying under his arms, and then Albert told his cousin sister Elsa that was a zoology book, and Albert told that he was very interested in zoology and he studied it because he liked the subject. His second interest was music. He played his violin regularly until his landlady asked him to stop that noise. She had already enough of hauling by the kids. Albert told Yuri after 6 months that he must get away from there. It was observed that he should waste his father's money to stay in Munich and that hateful place. That was his school. He wished to go to Milan, Italy. He requested Yuri to get him a doctor's certificate that he had a nervous breakdown and he must leave the city. Yuri contacted his friend Dr. Ernst Will. Though not a specialist in nervous disorders, he asked Albert to be honest about his intention on meeting the doctor. The doctor agreed to certify that Albert had a nervous breakdown and he must stay away from the school for 6 months. The doctor didn't charge any fee for his own service to provide Albert that certificate, and 6 months was a pretty long time, so Albert would not be leaving the school and need be. He could come back to do his diploma. Albert planned to take that medical certificate to the head teacher of the school next day, but Yuri advised him to get a reference in writing form from his maths teacher, whose name was Mr. Koch. And Mr. Koch agreed with Albert that the letter was wasting his time in that class in Munich was very miserable because he knew much more than even his teacher. Because Albert was very capable in solving any mathematics question than his teacher. So his maths teacher supported him and provided a certificate in a written form that Albert was ready to join some college or institute for his higher studies of maths. And in the last time, the head teacher sent for Albert and told him that he wanted the boy had better leave the school at once. It was a sort of expulsion. The other way was Albert should go of his own accord. The head teacher's point was that Albert refused to learn in the classroom and he was in constant rebellion. Albert declared that he was going to leave the school otherwise. He walked out of the office and the school where he spent 5 miserable years of his life. Yuri saw him off with good wishes and good luck. He hoped that Albert would be happier in Milan. And in this way, the story of the chapter has been completed. If you like the summary of the story, please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.